$15,000 for a grab for anyone who is able to do or who are qualified to carry out a very simple task starting from on 10th to on 23rd of March, meaning this particular campaign is starting today, which is 10th of March, and it will be ending on the 23rd of this month on March. And I believe it is based on the first come, first serve. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. Most of course, you have been following up, and I've talked about the Atok Token. So if you haven't start mining this Atok Token, I'll be dropping my link in the description and the referral code in the description of the video. Please kindly use it. So this particular campaign of $15,000 is coming from the Atok Token as they go into partnership with Bitget Exchange. Let me show you was what was posted on their X account. So on their X account today, you could see that it said the biggest Atok with Bitget wallet airdrop is here. Join the biggest airdrop event and claim your share of 15,000 in Atok Token starting March 10 to 23, 2025. So in this particular video, I'll be dropping the link where you'll be able to download your Atok app, and I'll be dropping my referral code in the description of this video. Please kindly use it. And it doesn't just end like that. In this particular video, I'll be sharing with you the criteria, things that you need to meet up. I tell you, it is 0% free. It's not going to cost you anything. So this is it now, that the act of Bitget Wallet Exciting Collaboration Campaign. We are thrilled to announce the Android campaign for new user in partnership with Bitget. Yes, price pool 10,000 in Atok Token. How to participate? So these are the criteria on how to participate that you are seeing here. The first one, you have to follow Active on X. You have to join their Telegram group. You have to download the Atok Token, and you have to have the Bitget wallet. So if you don't have any of these, I'll be dropping the link for you to download the Atok Token, as I've said earlier on, and also be dropping the link on how to download your Bitget wallet, and I'll also be sharing my referral link in the description of this particular video, so you can help me to be part of my referral. And if you know you have this two token, you just have to click on the link I'll be dropping in the description of this particular video so that you can get logged in. So if you want to get logged in, I'll be dropping this particular link also in the description of this particular video so that you could start ASAP if you are seeing it. If you are seeing it, try as much as possible to start. So these are what you just need to fill in the form, and you are good to go. So you have to join the active community. You can see it says start interaction, follow Bitget's on regional account. So you have follow active on X, download active app, invite friends to join Bitget. So these are all it, and then you click on the verification. So let me quickly do all these, and I'll be back. I've actually tried complete this particular task, but it is not going, and I believe it is not going. You can actually use the VPN. You put the location in US, South African, or any other first world country. I believe it will be able to go. And if you're able to perform this particular task and without VPN, you was able to go, that means what you just need to do after that is to tap on this particular place, verification, and after that verification, that means you are logged in for this particular. Then I believe that on March 23, if you are following the active on X account, I believe the list of winners will be announced. So I urge you to always check their X account and also follow them on Telegram to know the latest info that will be shared based on this particular airdrop. If you have anything to say about this particular airdrop, please kindly comment in the comment of this particular video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.